Friday the 25th or 26th or something, I don't know. About to go to work. But I bought Gibbs some catnip and New Mouse toys the other day. It was nuts. It's off his rug. Gotta get back on the rug. Being that I only have a radio and a CD player in the truck, I've been getting reacquainted with all my old albums. And one that I forgot how amazing it is this one. Sucks that the trip went down. We didn't finish the job, but my buddy texted me and said, "Hey, we're fishing near you. You should come." So let's go fishing. What's up, Spank? How you doing, bud? Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How you doing?
Pretty good. Where'd that pipe go originally?
Right. They're both coming from the golf course.
So where did they go, or is that the only place they went? They just blocked. They just ended right there.
What golf course? Right off of.
My wife walked out and was like, "Excuse me," and they're like, "Yep, it was him." He was like, "It was him."
He went and got a law degree. Hated law.
He was a smart motherfucker.
Oh yeah, a genius. And
It's because he never went out of recess. The motherfucker just sit inside and fucking read.
I mean, he was like, I don't remember who our valedictorian was, but if it wasn't him, he was right there. But yeah, he decided he hated law, so now he teaches gymnastics in Detroit. In Detroit.
I wouldn't do that.
I wouldn't do that either.
Good for you.
Somebody's get there.
Somebody.
Don't use the toilet after him. How'd that 5 gum do?
5 gum.
As expected?
I see the commercials. It's like a party every fucking time you put it on.
My buddy Bishop's sweet freaking Jeep. It was awesome. Snake said, nope. No,
What y'all
no.
got? I got some food.
What's up, bud? What you? Oh, okay.
Little channel. Right. Don't fucking find my ass, you little son of a bitch. Ow. Just let me put my finger in your mouth.
I kind of want him to spine you.
I know. He's about to get the hook in my. It's still got 5 gum on it.
That's what did it, man.
I know, he's having a fucking party in this motherfucker. There we go. Be free. Fuck you. Suck.
So I stopped by my buddy Paul's property. Kind of weird seeing everything when it's all green and full. I haven't been here in the springtime before. Guess a friend of a friend has a tree service and parked one of his trucks here and is looking to sell it. So I was like, oh yeah, I'll stop and give it a look. There she is, C7500. Outside tires need to be replaced. So they just painted it. The old scratch pen, that's nice. Couldn't take it off the paint, I guess. Couldn't put a piece of tape over the block there either. Yeah. Remember, it comes with the gas can. That would make it worth it. Oh, free chain. Yeah, it's a steel too. Well, that's her toolkit. Oh, it's locked. Wait, that's a C5500. Didn't the other side say 7500, or is that my imagination? Yeah, that says 7500. Steel core flip line. It's not very long though. What are you gonna do with that? That's short as can be. Plug in electric edge trimmers, huh? I guess that's the pisser. That's a genius idea, to be honest. That's a really good idea. That way you can keep chipping. I think the big question is, what kind of engine does it have? Because I have zero interest in anything gasoline. Oh my God, that's tiny. And it's gas. Nope. I'll pass. Good Lord, that is about a small engine. What's this thing go like 40 on the highway? Full of chips, pulling a chipper. This thing, oh, I can't imagine driving this. It's always good to see. Overflow. Well, worth a look at least. So what does an antisocial person with no social life do on their Saturday night on Memorial Day weekend? Well, if they finally got the right bearing in, they rebuild an MS260. New fuel lines, new fuel filter and everything, so they're not primed. Wow. Started that easy. That's what I've been fighting with for months. I was going to film it, but I've got hours of editing I still have to do for videos that are already filmed, but I have to work on, and I just didn't want to mess with the camera. Started right up, I couldn't believe it. New main bearings, new seals, new piston, new everything in that thing. I mean, I pretty much put a whole new saw. I should have just bought a new saw, but felt like a project. Sweet. Weight race like 10-5. 11. 11-5. At 12. We'll leave it there for now. I don't want to leave out any more brand new piston cylinder. The fuck made all this mess all over this damn floor? 2. I don't even know what the ratio is. Probably run her like this tomorrow for a few tanks and then tune her up. I was editing a video with the headphones on. I didn't even realize that it's freaking going nuts outside. I just realized my windows are cracked. Oh, that sucks. This has to be like the most frequent lightning I've ever seen. It's constant.